When was the last time you actually carried cash? Chances are you never leave home without your phone. And now that phone is quickly becoming your wallet. From groceries to global transfers, one app can replace your cash, your cards, and even your ID. This is the power of digital wallet. Here's where you should really lean in. Digital wallets aren't just growing, they are dominating certain regions. In 2024, there were 4.3 billion digital wallet users globally. By 2029, that's expected to climb to 5.8 billion, a 35% jump. By 2029, China will continue to lead with 1.2 billion users, but the fastest growth will be happening in emerging markets. India will be surging with 732 million users, up to 59%, while Nigeria and the Philippines will show explosive adoption, growing by 35% and 88% respectively. Even in developed markets like the US, adoption will climb to 224 million users, up 24% since 2024. For startups and small and medium businesses, the opportunity isn't limited to one geography. From Asia to Africa to North America and beyond, digital wallets are becoming the default way people pay, save, and transact. Now, let's break down the main types of digital wallets and, more importantly, what they mean for businesses. First, there are closed wallets created by a single company to lock in loyalty. For example, the Starbucks wallet or Amazon Pay balance, they can only be used within the company's ecosystem. Next are semi-closed wallets. These work across multiple partners but not everywhere. A good example is Paytm in India or Venmo in the US. They allow payments at selected merchants and services. And finally, open wallets. Systems like Apple Pay, Google Wallet, or PayPal that enable transactions everywhere, even across borders. These offer the highest scalability and customer reach. But what really matters is what's happening around the hood, the features that power this entire ecosystem. Let's take a look. Our digital wallet solution brings these strategies to life with powerful features. On the customer side, users can create secured accounts, make online payments, track their history, and receive digital receipts with real-time notifications for every transaction. For merchants, the app provides a full view of funds, tools to manage customers, flexible EMI options, and instant payment tracking. Merchants also get unique QR codes to simplify transactions. And the admin panel ties it all together, managing banks, merchants, customers, and reports, offering discounts and even enabling in-app chat support. Powered by AI, the system can deliver smart insights, detect fraud faster, and personalize the user experience. In short, it's a complete ecosystem built for speed, security, and growth. Looking ahead, digital wallets will go far beyond payments. We're already seeing integration with crypto, central bank digital currencies, loyalty programs, AI-driven financial insights, and automation. For businesses, the takeaway is clear. Digital wallets are no longer just about transactions. They are evolving into full ecosystems that drive customer engagement, unlock loyalty, and open entirely new revenue streams. At CodeBrew Labs, we've helped startups and enterprises launch secure, scalable digital wallet solutions that keep them ahead of the curve. If you're exploring the idea of building your own digital wallet, the best time is now. Click the link in the description, fill out a quick form, and book your free consultation today. Our team of business experts will reach out to you and show you exactly how we can build the right solution for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more insights on building world-class apps.